Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Now, I found a couple more cartridges in here. This is an 8K RAM cartridge. The computer is off. That's a good sign. So this should pump up the memory somewhat. It should. Oh, and it did not. All right, we'll tweak it a bit. It did not. Oh, and it did not. Okay, before I knock my glasses down, I think I'll move them. I'm going to pull this out. Oh, yeah. This is what did I do with the pencil? Well, there's always another pencil. Oh dear. The contacts on this are looking pretty dirty. So we'll take a pencil eraser and we'll shine them up just so. There we go. They are shinier. It would be horrible to have such a beautiful thing as this and not have it work. Let's try now. Nope. Tweak it to the left. Nope. Tweak it to the right. Nope. Tweak it to the left. Nope. Tweak it to the right. Nope. Maybe. No, this is not happening. All right, I'm going to take it all the way out. And I'm going to push it in. But not a whole bunch. That's disturbing. All right, I'm going to tweak it out. Huh. I am not fond of this. I wonder, well, there could be a RAM problem inside. I did shine these up. It's very hard to get out the other side of these fingers because, well, the case is in the way. But I will try. Well, it might make a difference. It might not. We'll see. The Vic-20 is off. Get this all the way in. Turn it on. No. I'll tweak. Nope, it's not happening. Well, that is unfortunate. I'm going to put that with this Garden Wars that didn't work. And then, oh, looky. What is this? Omega Race. I am familiar with this. But does it work? I don't know. Oh, dear. Isn't that terrible? It works. Well, one can't really just go on the fact that it comes up. It must be tested. Now this is funny. Oh, There we go. I had the fire thing in here, but I had it turned down. And I'm gonna die. All right. Hopefully this goes some better. Okay. Ah, right between them all. This one's gonna go ballistic. Get the mine, get the mine. Shoot the mine. I should not keep firing as I come over the top. Woohoo! I gotta get right there. Fire. Okay. Now wait till I get down below and fire a burst. I don't think I got that one. Oh, I did. Oh. We are cooking with gas now. Right over the top. Okay, now wait till we drift down below. Let loose a barrage. Well, I've got some of them. Oh, no. This might be a time to fire on the diagonal lines, but perhaps not. Oh, I missed. This one's going to go ballistic. It's going to go ballistic. Oh, what happened? Oh, maybe one of the old shots I did. Ooh, I am cooking along now. Maybe one of the old... Oh, it needs to move. Boom. Dead. Death. Oh. Still alive. Okay. Boom. Death. Okay, but it works. And life is good. Now, there's another thing here that I need to test, and I might as well use Mega Race. This is a multi-cartridge thing. It is. And the idea is you plug it in, and it by itself does nothing. Just assuming I can get it to go in. Oh dear, I might have to pull out the joystick, lift this up, and get a good look in here, because this is being difficult. See, it doesn't have a case around it. Oh, man. So, you really gotta have a look. Gotta get it lined up. What's going on here? Are we in? We're not in. This is frustrating. Okay, I can see where the last pin. Okay, are we in? No, we're not in. We're not in. There. Okay, now we're in. Now, on this thing, there's a whole lot of dips. First, I'm going to turn this on, make sure the thing comes on all by itself. Okay, it does. And then there's a reset switch, and it actually works. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's 2 rows of dip switches. There are. One of them has 6 and the other has 7. And I am confused. So what I'm going to do, and this could also be, see, this is the kind of thing you have plugged in when you have things you just don't want to be diddling around and plugging them in. So I'm going to see, I've got this in the first one. I think I have the first one selected. I'm going to turn it on. And of course, it doesn't go. I'll press the reset button. See, the whole thing behind the reset button is you should be able to, when you have things plugged in and you want to just switch games, is press the reset button, hold it down, flip the switch, and then you don't have to turn the machine off. Huh, well that's interesting. Oh, it came up. Okay. Now it went away. That is interesting. I have both of the switches flipped. I just hit the reset button. Okay, I have both the first switch, and then it pops out. That is weird. But is it going to pop out? Okay. Without a joystick plugged in, and then it pops out. All right. What a beautiful thing. All right, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to flip the other dip switch over. See, I do not have instructions for this. It boggles me as to why there are 2 rows of switches. All right, well, I'm going to try something. I'm going to pick the second one and the second one. Hard to get at, too. Well, maybe I'll just flip the 2 bottom ones, and then I can flip the one back I can get at easily. And then, of course, I need to pull this out, put it into the second switch, or the second position, and turn it on. And I get nothing. All right. Just leave the second one switched, and I get nothing. All right. I'm going to put the first one over. And I get nothing. Perhaps I'm holding down the reset switch. I'm putting things back to the kind of the way I found them. All right, I'm going to turn this off. I think what I need to do, cardboard, and I'm looking, everything looks okay underneath. I think what I need to do is yank this thing out of here and take this thing out of here. And I need to do a little Googling. B3, B5. Very strange. I don't know what the switches are for. But I have high hopes that this will work at some point with its ribbon cable-y thing. Anyway, I'm going to put that over in this box of things to check and test And indeed, I will Google that. So I think, strange as it might seem, for this moment, I think I have gone through all the cartridges that I know of. Oops. So, as Vic-20 said, oh, wait, I can do better. I have more columns than the 22. No, not exactly. There. Put this in the center. Sort of. So that's all, folks. So that's it for cartridges for the moment. I have here an impressive bunch that I think that I will put up on probably Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace. And of course, I will sell them one by one, or I suspect I'll put them in, I don't know for what. But certainly, if someone says, yo, I want them all, then the price for each cartridge would be better. It would be. So I hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 cartridges. But you know what? I have a whole other box. And of course, there could be some duplicates. There could be. And you know what? Undoubtedly, I'm going to find more cartridges around. What really baffles me at the moment is why that memory thing didn't work, the 8K one. But, the things are more than 40 years old. And RAM chips, they go bad. Anyway, thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see what we see the next time we meet. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.